Abusuafo na adu Berchie aba abonten na eja waba beso no abusua enyasem keto kra side neni esi abre na wotutu bi edema eye maame ngege left and right na abusua chese otumi se neni abre pa o se entro no adoso dodo chese victim play no adoso too much maame ngege na want to say they innocent nanso bone ekoso ebe ni na no ono eni dimutintima chese abusua anoden na audio aba abonten a maame ngege eye audio ekoma eye adu Berchie edefa eye Victor Kosibuate ne akrada ho no na adu Berchie achechirim wachechi mo sister audio no no a ne leaki sa audio no na abusua de nam so ma o so leaki audio no na oyediti audio na chese maame ngege kra bebo fu audio no obechirim na ebebo ede ruasa ensem no but meshow se ubi me subscribe button no mi abo na ewo nchen like video no so na bibia enye kama pa abusua adu Berchie akasa papa na se de wosi expose eye ngege no anoden wachirem se audios a maame ngege ede bedi na krampo no chese enye fu audios na audio no opa onfa fu wanembra na afi ye hu so oye loyal afi okano kre to all the full audio ne ba ana Ghana fu bi hu se sa na chese so fu penino enye ono nko ene plot maame ngege no edimu akotene papa na ensamo de wabro so pa enyasem ketwa wachechirem di ntia sa audio no edete ye elikiye sa so ana chese wakachire eya asofo mpanifo se omonhwe ye wo ngege broskoto ho because semi brothers onye papa watutu bi de ama eye ngege a ebusua anote ye mura seminimu na ye nkoti punchlines a chese eye na adu Berchie abetutu ede ama eye maame ngege ba ebeto aso.
I want everybody to understand that this is not a media war. It's neither a media banter, but I think say it's about time say we have some explanations to our heads. Obianim, so I'm going to be very quick, like really quick with this. Obianim said it's been very long that I came on live to speak about social media issues. I've been very decorum, like I've really kept myself from this Facebook thing because Meshia baby from afar, they will say baby and kono. Sometimes you just have to pack your luggages and exit because every good dancer knows when to leave the stage. Now make us way on the basis of authority. Now before I say anything, let me issue this disclaimer. This video is meant for me, myself, my family and my church, and will take sole responsibility for every predicament that would come out of this video. Mami kanitwi video ami ye no me yama me ho masafo ene mabusua na de ebe pie free mababia no me de areto ebe show nya mensem 1 na me de akomapa age de ebe free mababia e de ama me ho solely and nobody else, because obian kai the last time me be kasama obi bia on social media. I have a good rapport with everybody, even those are part of my friend list. I have a good rapport with all of them. I see some of these comments, and I take it as if say a part of life. It is bound to happen, and there is nothing that will be able to change about it. Now, me can send you maybe a chum say, Sabi nipa or don't wrong, sa or two one samoa. Sa one man me children se mumpoa, nipa nim say. Adia de too so de enya adia obetumi aye but we na yenti you obi bia odo mempese obi abedi obi atem, because you do a level whereby we need to differentiate between truth and intense manipulations, because when you're careful obi be destroyed to the core. The person will not think about how you feel on the kind of respect that you have given to him or her. The person will not return it in a reciprocal form or because in Africa, so what's a man automatically then you are at fault. Now, I'm doing this for a reason, and I want to plead with everybody. Will be OTM summary. I believe that some people might be disappointed. I would want to apologize for that, but this doesn't mean say I will continually be talking. No, but what I'm up to say, baby, let's call a spade and let truth triumph over every lie. Now, it doesn't matter whoever that you follow. I respect whoever you decide to follow. Obia will do obiachi. to all the men of God, to all the bloggers, those that say things that they don't know. I respect each and every one of you. Obia with the opinion. Obu ono mokrana. Odi opa mo bia samumra. Say otan independent no. On tear the other side of the story. Obe go ahead. No a tarnishing the image. No a can send yet here. No a can poto because on penny panasem. Facebook is a compound house. And you'll be beyond a bit to me ado. Obe to me when you're Sam, obe to me when you're problem. But I've said this on different occasions. Berchie, my mother never raised me up as a coward. I have never been a coward. I learned how to take equal responsibility for my actions when I'm at fault, and I know when to apologize when I make mistakes. No, but when you get closer to me, may the any respect, once you return that same respect, I'll give it back to you squarely. But I chose to be silent for a reason. And I've chosen to speak today for one particular reason. Now, when say answer, probably a lot of people would understand me, but I will not make sense to anybody that hates me. I won't. But near our pen no person who no. Say no. This guy is making a point over here, and the point is worth listening to. The only thing I'm praying say my network and MSA up because I'm outside. But meka shortly and snappily. Now, first and foremost, Obiabekai on social media. I'm ready by Emma Yabeka a branch be a friend Peter Paradise asem. Na Emra Yabeka asem and Crofobika say me and I'm a Peter Paradise echi. Say only the and Crofwatem social media so. Now in my own capacity, because I knew say I belong to a family. Na menim say me kabusia ho. Na menim say mean to me nya ade no mo kentino. You pushing me to the limit whereby I had to give an evidence. I actually say, I did not Peter Paradise, no. Na me ninja ho. Na ma stop no. Say onya is adie no. Now, after me drop it, evidence, Mami I walk say, now I'll be very respectful. Very, very respectful. But Mami, I am not afraid of you. Me buadia pa, but I'm not afraid of you. Mr. And this is not about insult. Me do attempt. But I was saying many pende who be a echo. You're respecting each other's views. When people want to live your life, let them live in peace. Stop casting aspersions and finding ways to bring them down. And you're fine. Now, maybe the evidence by you came to write a post and now the 2 pages so. Adia Baba Troy and I say, now when him say a minimum kwana recorded. That was a time where now from send me your back. Me now from send me your bow. But now can me expect so because my son has been able to give an evidence. And now if he say, tell my uncle for say who worship Peter Paradise a chi. Say only the Benes Antobre, anti-Benes, sorry, say me do the memoir. You are never happy. Yen will be a babontin but defended that fact. Say to me yes ada. I didn't think at that time and focus and yan correct. No more try at that time, some will prove it beyond reasonable doubt. Say, sad time when you see Peter, did you be at Tamidi, a Yamina Mishanachi? Tell me a castle who sent a chino, yet na Becoin. Yet na me, Bebacoin pa on your platform. Yabacassetia, Amobian say, and yan correct. Unsho be a chi. That was how only Benes Antobre any problem. But as a son, I'm in my position. Nipa na my friend and mother, our friend and son, no. Me buy with full force, with full strength. Peter Paradise class over but and I'm saying, look, and you're important. Sometimes no now so ni near them. But when to me and mama say me banner the evidence about Abe show say, and you don't know Peter Paradise a chi. That was point number 1. Point number 2. Ubetina social media eka etuasem. Say I mean, look, if you want to define the word loyalty, I feel say you don't understand loyalty. Say can what loyalty as here? You will never use that word. You will never use it. Oh, you should that. Because that time one, Oba Yabeka to us, and you see here. Your same people catch us and no. So when you suffer Berchie a problem one, I didn't tell that one friend no one train him say a ba. Sometime no at the end of the year, I am better now I can't say no. But some of your followers clapped. Omubo munsem. Your true captions now will share. Your true nyama now will share. As at that time, show me a single post apart from that loose accusation. Say me na me share Pitachi. I'm in my evidence saying me na me share the channel. Mami a single post I'm a Troy against you. And I say I was against you and I know a problem. Obia from here, me catch and say no. Me say you just say na nyama kona. It looks as if there is an issue. I said no, there's no issue at all. Even when you called me, and I was so bad patcho because of Nsema Beka, I told you to ignore it. You remember what you told me? Huh? Okay, you catch me. Okay, me say, oh Bagana. Now thank God it was God that saved me. Min call me, min call your video. Na min kasa o Bagana yeba becho. Na mato garesi ho. Meanwhile, when you came to Ghana, Uncle for the police said Tatao, you came to do a video again, which you deleted. Nina, these evidences are there. These evidences are there. They are very evidential. And I'm not here to fight anybody. But just as you are spewing, making it look as if you say, oh, be a betrayal, no? And for your video, now you can't, were betraying the and you were under all these videos, you never altered the word. Meanwhile, not on to me today at dear back up. I'm a dear yo. Some tune, Macau, and no be a casa, no evidence. Wakodimu Konkosa, no evidence. Wakasa Chobi, everybody that spoke to me at that time, me catch and say, go to her and tell her. Say my yen bonnet, no my phone me, I'm ready to apologize to her. No my yet 3 videos or 4. I'm a better on a macase. Dear Sibia, Minister a chief of Bekaya. Dear Sibia, would the move for Subo mommy. Me ye bonnet. Min Kosha Pitachi, but move for my bonning poor, mon family bonning chemi. As a busio, and I'm in him joining. Me ye 4 or 5 videos consecutively. Able to be a portion blame for myself. Me did to Musa Yanfa blame the mommy. Nanko for call me poster say, na do why? At the wire bonny biana, Besine from 19 Kojoho. You will obia evidence and not all count wasem, but one fam matter. What to me and provided one evidence that. And that is how a lot of people were lured, including myself. That is why I stood. So my basis of argument, and I say Peter and I'm not who shenechi. Say only Benes Anto Bratemwa. And yet, I'm not me Peter to only do what him. Say Peter Casao Babia, not a famuhua, Wayadie. But if it is against you, that Obina Shanechi, there was no evidence. I was silent, Mankasa. Kosu back door. Na me fret. Me basa sumdieba. I never had any response. Etimi kamanu to. Should we still define loyalty? When about 3 or 4 times you cast aspersions at me and still corner me like a small boy? No, I tell you, say chaso, and I me your mommy, and I be me and America, and I swallowed all of them. Still went to platforms in order to go and defend it. Said, me mamma na kabiano, me, na me fan say me mammy. It will be a chaso, and no be an cash in fan for obium. And I've said this, that I'm issuing a disclaimer. I am speaking for myself and not for anybody. Not for anybody. I didn't anchor on this app. Yeah, the evidence is no about to go. Or be an old person, dear. Yeah, because you won't know what's watching it. Now the post it to and I'm recording. All these things are there. Many of you Berchie kasa my blasphemy. All these things are there. Only make a bang and I blasphemy that bang. Bring the evidence. Let me bring that evidence. Look, you can't always please your members. There is a life to live. There is a way to go. Behind the cameras, there is a life to live. And it's not because we are going somewhere. We can't continue to be fighting. For the Adiam pan and tokwa aye, Adiamang, and will be Bia or Contokwa debay. Yaba fray concerning issues are not air cosono. Na ye simu saying, but a Korea chino, ye bully na the boying. And when you go said ye pacha. Me kamanu tu, man kasa, me ye videos, obia fa subo mommy. Nipa na oba yo beka say owo evidence no. Besine, we have intelligent people that follow you, but you couldn't provide a single evidence. I see a do Berchie, I catch up with a powder I could be a semisiatem. But me evidence now the buying idea. You're talking a oh botuguya, you rubbish it off. Mom. And I kept on smiling and laughing. And BBI okay, BBI fine. And you kept on smiling and laughing. And yes, sir. And yes, sir. Oh, so suppress me. So forget those that I promise I make us be back. I saw Bessa Utinamiso. Ubessa Utinamani Jesu. Ubessa Uyama to say Aquada. Ubia and Tabanu almost. And it's becoming too much. It's becoming too much. Whoever that you want to attack, you can. By Amikasi, Mr. He that seeks equity must come with clean hands. I made a post concerning what you came to write. Yes. Say audio on me. And I made it to your group page. Because I couldn't withstand your lies. I can't withstand it. I can't condone it. And I'm telling you as an empirical proof. There are people that even follow you. That because, you see, they are following you because of loyalty. But they know you are not speaking the truth to them. And I'm in a call before, and I'm on Susika, and you say, and I call away, and I say, and why abortion. I pray for your first son. But he never fall victim to anything I've fallen victim in life. But he never. Well, now so kasa about loyalty, no. Any minute, I mean, my proof some in Peter Paradise, you know. How long did it take for you to come out and disgrace me? How long? Oh, Sammy Casada. It took me about 3 weeks before coming to Peter recording APA, and I had to even apologize to him. And one of the audio, I was even insulting him. Because why you say, the man who can I am out power, no, now be on tab and without what any panso. Mommy, me mommy when you chow. I'm telling you. Me mama wa wuma baku 6 get na ye university. I'm telling you, your senior brother or close to 40 years. I'm telling you. Now my argument is simple. A two better now will count some more. Me no make up banter in the area of Atimidie. No. Me mama want to social media and yes will be money momo. Me mama or brain mo journey. And you came to lie about it when the evidences were clear. But in na me come to me. So for Berchie, now akufo-addo no move from say ah. So are you able to do all this? Pamo bia edifimi. The rest of the audios, they may say, you and I have a lot of things to explain. You and I, we have a lot of things to explain. Why? Aden. A dianko na aba. Loyalty, mama. Loyalty na now preaching. A dianko na aba. Why? Now let's go to the audio. I wanted that audio out. And I wanted you to have a feeling of how you take part of an audio out. Say you wish you be free. Oh, don't forget. Say Juba with your minute, only me for a long time. Oh. And now refi. Say who your video. Now be catch him say oh ya men fro. And say. Oh. This is a mother and son affair. I have never betrayed your trust. But why you sad you for a long time? A free time what's the I'm sure be a chairman came home. Uye why you say ube gumeni mwasi till date. Me call life. Nana edu say ya frame. I have all those things. They're not become alive. When I'm done, come back. That's a bet now. Me catch him say they be canny atro. But they be who bar for their man as a son. And I'm a man is car. And I'm here say, si kabane bound some. I want for phone and from young son. You saw money we have never seen before. You saw money. Oh, sika ye fire ni who be that. Hey, sika ye jidia mawa ye di bitano and lupi and an saka. Because I know, as at that time, they say, oh, you be a yaman. But he obet now, a gumeni was a pa, and I sending his car, and you're in your go about me. Let outside the car say, and you've been also this kind of mommy. Deep by the foundation, the person was fumbling. I have it here. Say, you give me yama, you to me. The only time I spoke to you, I tell my Aduma for Bama, sorry. And the kind of a kind of life that me obi at your mamia, me come obiate. It was live on camera. But what to be by you who did it? Now maybe so the number of years I'm a casa or platform so Utriameka. Manjipeu. I never expected anything in return. Later you give me free platform so I will try them your camera. Let me to me count that voice notes are there. Come and play it. Come and play it. I need to be farming kahun nano. Satan obitriameka won. Obitriameka. It was on the same platform. And a same buyer, minimum, and a sofa penny, and Kiako them. But what sound the better now? I catch him, say, won't smile but it was on your platform. It was on your platform. Cause na me ye bibia, one monetizing page, you know. Na me ye de me ye bia say, baby I want when you back up a pound. Now be ye jumani ye, now soon sa kesika. As soon say, sika hold the man me say, ya best saminyama because my cobonium, I'm adu my father sano, would you better who go many mwasi. Sankanama wa, can we abanoma, and a banana. And come to me a jab of fana tanaso. No, I said, you bet your quaco. No quaco no one calls you, was I want tafu. I tell him, Quadam ramming chain. Nanka means so musamananum. And it's our back or in the Bible social media. So about the can was a now you was a preaching loyalty. Time my issue the buyer, give me a single evidence. And I'm me, Medituo, and I'm a cassette. Me catch him was say, Manuwe, I'm a dear Peja Ubino, me masana and say will be that. Me manin say will be that. Now, baby, a prophet is a Owusu Bempah, Papa. I'm sorry for mentioning your name, but I don't even know what to say. And I'll not be pushed to that limit. But I've harbored pain watching people I loved and trusted. I can manage your body for proof back bra and just Peter Paradise for one proof. Now, 4 other audios. And I may condemn Peter. Fabra, and you always play the victim. Can you define loyalty? Can you defend loyalty? 2 things. Can you define it and defend it? You can't loyalty. Yet you're saying loyalty is such as saying. So no be a diagram now so the secret in there. You are the first person to always threaten people with audios. And that is what the people do. So I'm threatening with audios. Now with the hey on the 9 year. Say about moment side that and then you are perfect. It's good to go. I come. You will prove I bet just wakasa. Why? Aden. Whoever that will say somebody's making things worse, look, free, just leave the platform. I'm speaking for myself. When was the last time I said my cow be and I'm defending? And we are starting from the level of loyalty. Whoever somebody wants to insult, this is about me. It's getting out of hand. Ya threat ye. Ya can you met ye. And now UTA on the basis of loyalty. So any recording about the man, I bet you Kumna, you will bring it out. But you still come and preach loyalty. What are you being loyal to? What? What are we being loyal to? Why the bet to me a bay bium? Penny by bet to me a father for. Ah, penny bay. Now, Tiasabo, you're born recording. I assist of a penny. Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah. I catch you, be say. Oh, could this of a penny be at him? Obiatono. The man is wicked. The man is bad. Or Yadi or Nimyansa. Why you bonnet? Why you say, listen? This is a recording that you sent yourself. I said, man, I will come. K part catch now. Or catch now on Pacho K part the catch papa. Ah, K part and the catch papa na. This is my argument. You were all on the same page. Whether K part, yourself, Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah, me and now whoever. Don't come and paint yourself like an angel today. Say I made a meeting baby. No, a friend say me conquer do obiatem. What? Meanwhile, one hour reporting issues, you know. And your baku, and your mienu, and your miensa. Obiadim himself, Papa was in pain at that time. Yachine issues are causing, or no other kind of Freddy Bassimacy. Wherever you want to be today, go, but don't destroy where you are coming from. Prophet, you could see what thing, you respect him. Or be a person in Lantano, and in Lantu Asujim. But don't destroy somebody in order to win the favor of another. Why? Well, me to call me cool. I don't have time for that. But you can't correct. After you the sound voice note in the buyer. Who will catch you and say? Sound voice note to what they send me. Now, me for full recording, bra. Yes. I had to teach you how loyalty feels like. You see how it feels like? When you speak with somebody, now you voice free, you see how it feels like. Once I would hear, open full conversation. No, I better about full conversation. I twisted one. You see how it feels like? I want you to feel how you allow people to feel. So we shall go for now no diagram. Move to me diagram to a point. Move to me a but and confirm BB, I bet 10 women down and go and was and from back and you who film to say we angel. You are not innocent. You are not. It's open full recording. Mama one kaswa be recording full recording one kasabo. At where about full recording no. Afe papa ne die na obeboy ye no I no nko akasa no fa wo de toaso that is loyalty. I want to teach you what loyalty is. Because he that seeks equity must come with clean hands. And yes, I don't loyal. And you be so beyond with the phone so you loyal. The phone conversation I recorded. I started with boom boom. Hello, hello. Mama want to say, Papa, show me who you. That is when you are loyal. For some full conversation, bra. I don't know where you be a free. No, I could be a ba. Now, maybe the end of 7 for in Namra. That's how they be a young white melu. Now, be Momunya Bronsam. You are part of everything. And the brother catches over Victor say, me, make a home. Say, make one of the friend of Owusu Bempah. And my do say, Kepata Cassani said, the Achremi. And a map of Palace before course more. Why are you in a town for China? Why? I'm a Danny BBO. And I'm meant to turn it. So for Victor on them. I know how you can do your things, you know. Ufi baby, you find a way in order to connect to the other side nicely. I know. Who free revenue before you did it nicely. My friend and I saw it. Nicely. Nicely. If you are now this is the thing, and I'll ban say, oh, always trying to prove. They say, oh, man, I will say, I'm recording a panel, and they will know. And you think somebody should be hearing you? Now, man, you stood on social media accusing people. You made us believe that these people are evil 24/7. And when we are recording a panel, and I'm recording a panel, now I ask you a simple question. Say recording now, Bono. I didn't problem now on the panel, ain't you recording here? Fine, what's the panel? And I'm a panel, you're default. I said, no, I'm so recording. No, I'm so recording. But you're more beyond framing, and more beyond framing, Miss Samu. Maybe I talk more framing, and more framing. More. I'll be tempted to come back again. Because some of us, let me say, I have been quiet for a very long time. I know why I have been quiet. I know why. I'm not here to justify anybody's action. No. So if you want to move to suffer Victor, move in peace. Nobody has a problem with Prophet Victor Kusibuating. Or anybody. Memiti, you respect Prophet Victor. 100%. Mommy, come. But men destroy a bit to say, as a person please suffer Victor. No. Because you are not innocent. I am not innocent. Nobody is innocent as long as we are all on the same page, fighting the same battle. Now, but you, when quadring him. The same make say menu, enemy Pabako, you are the same line. Now you know be cool. Now you discuss how I bet to me winning fighter, but you're a bonnet. I don't get it. Why not name a Bushaya building? Eti Kwame, I come home. Isaiah come home. Fred come home. And you Naya carbon because you need to any muscle on to qua. Now you didn't come out to Kwaya. You better so Eddie Kojomo to Femua. I am to go because the attack is also coming from them and it is coming from us. And you are aware. Does that make it a crime? The same group that was hailing. Because now you're boy at time for the say no, Nipana na ya kuamano no. I bronzam because no so person omo na nim go on person nim guase no enim guase. Does that make sense? I don't understand. Metias here. Hwe. Ewiase na ye won. Ye man no kure enadi. Ye kan kure for once. Say na amankado. Ani amrantie he na ekontokwa. Obia won the company. But ayobia na adwene mpesa. Ana beka say nipa no ho amankado afa. I no supporting no. Say we move ya ko emrantie he afa. No oye evil so support a mankado at that time. It doesn't make sense. I didn't even find about Owusu Bempah Wokromua. But men kasanko because it's not about him. The evidences are clear. What was the reason why you got closer to the man? Because now Penasem and I yet tarnishing the image. At you are the mao, a coin, and you unya or the koyano, ya boa basu on so many occasions. So don't make it look today say the man is evil. I don't understand. I could have the code that time. No, you're from your Maudin, say you're from BNI. Your Maudin BNI. And I'm really going to get irritated at people that would want to link the man to my issue because time and I nobody spoke for me. Don't come and mention anybody's name here. Because we are Makasavier. The Babas or can I don't give a hook. Would your park or find your Biabra? But maybe issue to say. So would the chance and a bar for the tire a boisson. Let the food be served well. And yet, generally be official. Oh, per full recording. Now who recording now recording and fool away. And whatever. And whatever. And when a show yachi, and I went now also one a show yachi. One also senachi. God forbid. God forbid. Now almost you see a show me so make us me so for Berchie. See kadu do say na mo to me dia ma ho. I don't trust na wo twa tro a. Unko no can they see it through your eyes? Say wo twa tro. Say where a full recording, you know, and made the full recording and the yanko bisa. I didn't even call K part. I didn't know to even call K part. Maybe issue they say issue by I'm a suffer Victor Dimbem. Na ayen to kwa papa na my explanations. You were part of the system of governance at that time. Na a MPP. Say you na your co-position. A baye sebi a loose talk for me to come and say me kasama papa na emre bi no na me be kasama papa na papa ka chem say me kan say na me kan say e kon kan chem kan on carry cause that me ko ma no ana wo so ko a wo kun no enye free asem wo on countless occasions aka papa ni ma wo skase kokon to kwada enne wo pese wo bo audio a kire say o tua wo kase kokodi atem Nan kofo bo mu nsema wo and do Berchie I say and do Berchie ungrateful and I'm say how word ungrateful no loyalty no 2 words we Owusu Bempah won't ase but you have to understand as usual omo do what you blindly no they will coming back me I don't give a hook but you respect each other when we move away. Now what dare me? You know kasa wo phone so kwa na obeso ye mete se akwada. Now first born kwa betu mai ne sa. What no did na kawa no chom and you dey na he je ma yaw. Hey, Tali. Anye bia wo kan se ma wo ntafo. Me won kofo ma sori dem o. Ah wo so die ni die ma me ba wo manyini chen ho. Pa me die ni die ma from day one. How person to tell me say gumachi. Sa conversations no more bono. You were aware. Say na eyawo papa. Thank God for wisdom. Ye di phone na ne WhatsApp line so. Eyawo mpo na wo pagya sa issue ne baaye. Hey. Ona wo pagya sa issue ne baaye about your marriage. Ana papa ne catch us e free ne ko wo so menka. Just say ona na ma wo ware egu. Even recording now you care about data no. When a year call, a free say I see me senior Brinty you say. If I was see you kaya agene kire wo. Urefi, say be nim to be ye. When a cut and paste town. We were 4 on the line, 4, the 4. All because Obia di papa tem. But Okofa, Bassy Abeka say, hey, and I saw for recording. Who bought record ye? But maybe the bitter part is here by Robert condemn me. I don't know tiny papa your time, sir. I didn't hear. I don't know what tiny papa your time, sir. What should you and him? I ya o kasa kwa refu and I may be on him being a similar panel, but quite jamming. Hey, Makasa asem we ato. Actually for Muntio. I deal with Besha me di can be can was him. And ma obi bu from you, but boy na dirty too. Hey, a time is coming. Obi abe wuni pursue obi aye. I was assassin. Bisa say to nipa bako, obi no bako social media na. Unkwa no bia time. I didn't call them more be a time, who in particular, to the extent that Nipa now friend ba. Time will be cared to us, and what you for now, friend, also for Chasso, Yanana Casa, as you come in and back can be BTR at that time. Academy to chopping board. Kiachamity. Oh, you're untouchable. You're untouchable. Because we are make go anymore. We are make sure. We are make you say. Is that the only thing you can ascribe yourself to? I no pay. Yamon sema we no honko ade bia. The obia no baba di matema meso nso biemu. No. So for Victor, but who say beautiful can say me beautiful. If the glory you are looking for NDC aba, bro, chasu. Adiani yahwe, adiani yepe. Adia hometie akodi MPP achi. Etu be se mo tem sen kapapa nkom se feli ya. Aka mo dia mo ye no mo baye. E na ka wawu. And that is what you were waiting for. Told ya hope pray. Well, so who develop hatred? MOBia. Aya na you too much. Aya too much. Or time near drew. Aya na o ma papa yono. O never be a saying now because na me tiny would think come on. Aya too much. Me chawa je ba kwa time. To me. One say all this one was supporting NDCU. And can Monyamo bow so power. But all the papa who before I could support MPP. On your best so say, Papa now we sano on an enam. Told you see. And on your me damn me. Every corner can say MP NDC win you. But the number somebody about Panington. On your me shut that Danny and Monyamo. And on the man NDC. After the shade now we a bell semi town, but been town one bit. Shani my friend. Shani woo, and I still I am one MPP, and I dear Jenna one. Look at what you did to yourself. You could have maintained your stand, hatred, any pain, as saying you might be brave. Let's say me no kasa because you are blocking you, but baby I'll kick on. This is my message for you before 2025. You have a lot of things in order for you to repair. Oh, Pabet, and I say, and I Cassia, and I suffer a ball, and a Hawaii, and I did a Nipana Hono, Memon Pabos you, me Peba, and Munyam, a chabo, that you are born on one as how. I don't know your man away and woman I yabo. Bobo to Bobo. Your pa bono. Also, Mocasan confusing. The Baba called Pabosh is up our war. And your couple will be, and your question, you were aware. Dear course, mammy, and some boy, you know, oh, wouldn't, but what's happened now? At Dana and Chantro Boki. Hey, but say me maka, at damn show be a cheat. So for Berchie, me one way, the Casame to me a Cassa. Now, may show be a cheat, come and do attempt for what? Again, I mean, film. I didn't have a film about. And about me will win 50.8 and a why and a diade. You see what God did? You see what God did? Yabuba Bano. Now, how are you feeling? Now with your mutual saying. Yabuba Bani, you know. Be assured, say in your room, I say, my supported NDC for so many years in 2016 amongst the odds, make kind of practice. Even people say you were unfaithful because Papa Besem comes in another way. You stood on your ground, say, Baumi Befa, Mahama Befa. 2020, the same thing. A man can cry the Boki also. But 2024, because we develop hatred, I'm more beaten. You switch camps. And on your side, I'm my side disappointing. Look at the disaster that you brought. The disaster on the buy. Wash it, calculate in a as a Kawina but section, Baby, I know what you know. And a wine, yet was a we are. I can't buy an account. I say, I'm still waiting. So, over to me, I'm one empirical proof. The empirical prover. I get delusion on you. One proof, I just a minute, I'm a ship with a chia. My power show. But I was already placed on the scale of slaughter. Unye innocent. Send I was innocent. Send your Owusu Bempah innocent no. Obia ye innocent. Omo no mo attack Owusu Bempah. Omo ye innocent. Sounds no yeso ye innocent. And say na say yase yan kubiemu a obia ntra ne baby. Asofo mamu ni bloggers se chin kubiemu. I'm begging with all of you. Sofo Victor. Sofo Bedi Kubi. YBM. Sofo Nigel Gezi. Be Hosenia Mushiaye. Our NDC for gathering. And the MPP for Sofo Sushiaye. We saw the power of the church. And the power of men of God. And when we make say, Name Wahano, ya catch and send me say. Am I on for Bissana Tanfu? Nami no biadio, then Nami do biachi. Nami, or you biadia. On say, on call from us, on a comment now one way, you're ungrateful, but you can't prove one ungratefulness. I've been silent for close to a year without talking. Oh, your software has your ministry. Oh, your software has your ministry. I entertain blogger be and my name stay up into Kwama. No, you are sorry. Selfish will be your Diana and ya, Frano, discuss it. Mumasum Diemra, no be antani baby. Obia penny baby intana. Do I mean Jumania dear? Do I talk at the uncle Tona dear? Obiam pre cover for so pesca diamano wasa. Obiam pre. And more biambe and be convinced will be manning yes and who audios or who on the audios or biabe to be able BB at your side hooty. But baby, you know, I saw for so much and come away. They need your bem one, they need your bem Obian Koda. Obian Company baby na. Tell me, Obi to me catch and man full audio. And I want to me for full recording ma. Me nimo say, oh yeah, dear in cut and paste. Oh, shall me no messages in him. Over demanded for audio no. Now why you word you ma come on? No. No. Now you inside you be nampacho. So for my tata me, so for Krobi and so for amo. Why not get na sank yes no? But ni panini o. Ni panini. Ye nyini ko ye nim. Ye nyini ko ye chi. Ana kwasia, ana aboa, ana mesa otakwa bentwa, ana meche ohwa, ana meye se no atwam. Ani biela no adonso. Ese obi a prima na bushia in a legitimate way. Rather no before the come accounts, e mo bi ankoma ne biem. Yantena se. Yantena se. And now be inside to be against obi. Asebe mo bi ankoma ne biem. Menya ma asema me America. Ade na mo kai. Or you ungrateful. Or you ungrateful. That is what you came to say. Obi obetwe ne ho. Say me mpade ekoso social media, me concentrate bia you ungrateful. Eti ye be ko akosi da ben. Huh? Mutage papa with the same call and mandate. Omo muto at that time omo toy. Ade. Huh? Say a better nasi. Dear good confirm was an head. Ah, and I any jum. Your man also who fans. No, nam come your mouth fans. Mammy, you are a champion. We are the recording. Oh, but say more than I'm dear chino. But see, I dear be a meme catch a Peter so may no more from me set the whole on the line say, see, me bad life, I bet Paul be biacho. You're recording a Dawson. Recording the whole and I recorded and I bet to say my software abono my black oh blast me with him. Oh blast me with him. So I say when my idea who me a seven can once a da. Oh tell me hello and I'll cut take on. Oh tell me say hello no and I'll cut take on fast. But my steady idea back home. You like to please your followers. A young person here did more manage. You tickle them for them to laugh. It's either say you tie the person down with something. and I only be on the panel the two. Send the Benny Pan show so beko. And to bring your evidence of me, and do Berchie betray you. Simple as ABC, and I apologize to you. And me dear tell me true about the bush. And me tell it and Samu. Ye kasa on the basis of loyalty and betrayal. Bring your first proof of betrayal. That's all. Then I apologize to you. And yes, Adia, eradicate that word from your mouth. Loyalty and betrayal. Jifri wanu. Tuchiri baby kura. Mami. O kasa wa mi ka oni besi o. Huh? Me kasa 1 month me nin sida. Me nene me di preachy. But me bre me wasi ma day one. Ebu okwa na no am yakasa. Se san twaso me si me twaso ma. Problem ni wo. En fa no de waka en no me twaso. Ye twaso. Me mini we na egu me mu. Manche me dofu biada. A lot of them left mankasa. Because you made me look very evil before people. It all started with Peter Diano. Maybe so. I won't announce Peter Chiso only by this Anto Brantamona. I know the name at wrong. But where they are in the question of Peter Chi. It's not so the point. So, what do we see? So now you're going to say, you go all out. It's so. So, to say, come. You said you be a one nano per Yana. I just hold the Nipana to from one side. And many passia saying you de be. Now, man for do power. And go for do what you power on this media. Now, be see the people do what you. My greatest fear for you, and say, all of them, a fully be one day. Over so time, so almost my jaw cheating and my Jimmy. Is that what you are telling me? Almost now, Quasiafo. Satam na many Benes Antobre, Mama Benes Antobre, a free power, but won't he, many yasem, won't he, many nana brown yasem, or Yankasaba loyalty. Or of war, as simple as ABC. Audio na a piano, a proof, say, before crap, Papa can be for Victor, so for Victor, and no be Biahono. Not yet the report a man data. You are on the media. On a ultimate report. Yambambe, yambambe expose you sound my report. Who mom perceive we are seeing who say, and you'll be mom the small seco diatem. I don't mean Tiasiano. What's your be say? And I yet your baby, and your boy and pa say you could diatem. What's your voice the way? I will cast a young country up a panel. Send for your meeting, nay meeting day. Like part and a catcher one part okay part or a catcher. Also, no better now say, and your karma, nobody's against you, and your karma, nobody's rising against you. We have congratulated you for the good works you have done in the past. Learn to appreciate people even if you are no more closer to them. Don't make it look like they are demons and they are devils. No. It's high time. Mommy. May I'll tell you the truth. Honestly, you are not my mother again. But the crowd I was saying catch you. Don't come if you say na brown woman I record you. Let me feel say to the woman I record it. As you always claimed. Let me feel so woman. But you were pushed to the limit, right? The simple question is say, Omo no mo kono dia no mo dia yo. Dia no mo dia yo. Sanko from dia no mo dia yo. Ah, they be a person de edu Berchie a toothpick now they use him. No, madam. Mama respect pa. Okasa bebre man kasa. Who ya mama no be analysis. No mun kan fa baby o me fa bia fadasia. Fadasia dey na man fa na fadasia. Huh? Fadasia be complain bitterly. Say wakwa akose no. Then them say no ntisa no. Me kan cry which is not true. Enya no cry say akose fadasia. Me kan baby no cry dan be betu. Baby am control post than me the better. And now no be able to robbery. Na ya chimu mi enu a. O se me no when a convince me say me ko robbery. Na omo mo di wa chi ato sa asem na ye omo de. Hey. Owusu Bempah na cast recorded. I don't know Papa Owusu Bempah no oye prophet o. Go know himself be recording no. And say what record ya? Me chere de ma wo no be fra wo ka tell say record ya. Titum. And me dane no. And na me ton de baby na me ton so for Victor Kusibu ati na yi ni ho di chere me first. E wo me die me na that is not what we are talking about. And yana ne kan wasem. Do dan ho di chere won de emfa ho. Eno ko betumi asodaye e wo bi wo dan ho so na nyo. Why are you trying to rubbish every good thing that Papa Isaac Owusu Bempah has done for you? Oh, rubbish be bia na nedu ayama. Be bia. O man yet to say na nedu nya hwema da. Asa be bia no na ye bibi man na nedu. Man ntesa. It was never like that. So for Victor na person kwa nchen. So for Victor is smart enough. You don't need to destroy anybody to go back to somebody. No. Get na yen fasade we into your offer. Wa wo di eche ai Joshua Mahu Rati Mahu comment no. Okay, the least said about you the better. Ejuma na yen my head a chance but then no my head a chance the who yes see no. Na one na name do Berchie on Facebook. E wo ngege brosco to pages one na name. Ejuma be na mamo my head a chance wo de no. Bro, baby a wo gira no make you wase here. Say na we honest and sincere enti yire ho no gira wo na so na ko ye. One day you realize say you need that time to save your bread from a whole lot of things. Nenya wasumji. They say Omo Kasa, the man of God has betrayed her on the basis of call. I was on that call. The subject for discussion was not about her marriage. The subject of discussion was about somebody that insulted the man of God. And no question here. Until ye climaxing come on and no kofa ware sem ne bae. Already you have been on social media saying already say what kun to kwa no ware egu. Hey, adi atroni. But what is social media so ka? Say enam wo obi so na ware egu. Ono de on kana no ntum ne fa sa sketch ne se no. Hey. Him fa na Papa Owusu Bempah. Eko bi na no publicly kan obi aware asem ehimfa aye call ne so one na opeja bae eno no chire mu ache nipa na ne wo call no so say enye sanete mesrem aye dia wo ka no enu nti na ma me so me chire mu se akere wo ba no enti mesrem so tena se amenka se ye minti na waware egu oka ne se waka bone na wo wa record ye no asa the boss ye betray o who let nobody fall a victim. And more be a fall a victim. Hey, job beti biano. So for Owusu Bempah kokumobi. So for Berchie kokumobi ye na na the same ebushia. One Capricorn. So for Victor. Aso for amuka win na yato abanawi. Let's concentrate on our ministries. Let's not allow anybody to bring dispute and fight. Yenye nyame adwuma no to the core. Na nyame adwuma tumi peja e ma obi mbaye e na obi na kacha yense e na asofo ni na yengu o mani mu asani ade no obi a won conscience obi a won adwene. We have to learn how to take responsibilities for ourselves. Me ma se me ba na ma me ka se asofo Owusu Bempah na ka se me video me ba ditu se eye me ana me ye e ma se mo ba eto obi anfa ncheme papa anfa me born ncheme asa. Every true son and true daughter knows how to take responsibility for themselves. We are all adults. Don't make it look as if say obi na remote to say koye baby. No. And to Kwawe, it was there before Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah's name came on social media. Mami ngege. I am the so able full recording. And upon audio. There are other audios over there. Ninano, you were telling us to be careful about some people. Hey. Phone na ya de bra wona ya brimbino ade na wo kafa ho ya ka obi na obie yani and I applaud you for that. Obie yani wan kofo ho a including those you are very close to that you love her eyawo because obie ni say we are very careful with people mo hwem ho ye we ho mo ma we ade amonya careful. Come and swear by anything so they make an meboa Te anya na na obeyi wo afrim. Yeah, right is the same. Na right you na wo me say one dey na me. Right is the same say no. Na me say right ya dey na me nya. Right. Oba Ghana me hu kwa na so abo ya bo me hwe kwa na esan me mobo. Because na me feel so you very TikTok guy but me yenu na ya say alukoto no nkete. Yes alukoto. Ejuo se omudi kan be born recording papa na kasa insight so for Victor the sankofo na against someone e omode by the recording by ya wo che say ni say na nkofo we akoye meeting no and dey evil. Yeah, evil. Ratty. Charlie, me I not say I finish I go do life. Me it no be fight at the fight oh. I dey tell you why. Me then you ya isa lukoto no ya nkete sa no. Wo Germany kwa me hu wa pampam say. Tina me say hey, na Ratty na me feel so to one more big boys yeah ni o. O se me tuufo. Say wo ba Ghana no. O se ye bebo, wo na wo kan. O se omo bubu, omo de ade bebo na ekoto dwanim. Ba otumi nya 990. Beboa. Ba me my advice bi. E ya be boss advice no. Ko mum advice. Me my advice. Say Facebook no ya live any pado do omo hu no hu omo. Enti me so be chim bebe no bebo me nkwa no bebo me. Ya chi bebe ne bebo a nkwa no mbebo. Enti me sraw ma wani na ho ade a wo ye no me ka kire wo. But you say afi na ovim na ba. Right, afi na ovim no aba o. De me ken de only do Berchie nya adwene da o. Oh, we ba ye video di matam o. Ba me tufu o, Ratty. Ma ye de che hu o, ye de me board daily graphic anim. Daily graphic. And later you see answer me. And she say me na menye lawyer, me and na menye lawyer. Say me offer me amemfa. The evidences is in your inbox. Me frɛ wa won pick. Na wo Ratty kra me so ba me nchen. Me ma assignment se kone ko bisa no coin no so ma biem. You couldn't come. I didn't mun na me mama assignment na mo kwa mo ma biem. Me frɛ wa won fa. As the dad na me di deal no contract ba. Me bom wa wan fa me send voice note quick and I'll reply. Ohima Empress no one wine sankofoni na me. I said I will never play victim. Me, I had a chance to reply all of you, one after the other, but I chose to be quiet. Me say me ada me show Berchie. So nkoko bi asem, engo bi enimu aso nya me nyem confidence am. Me nya da. But mun share say you keep nipa. Me say me be some simple question. Omo ma fi mo ntamu na akono, omo agimi won, omo bobo adam won. You think they are all stupid? Mun kwa na mo ye lawyer, enye sa. Munkwa ana mo ye lawyer eku baako obia nye munkwa na mo ye nyesa eh dabio munwini hu ye o ebedu mo sweat o ma ho den boae some of facts ni sika but de nim de ni ye videos sa platform na so na me konya issue konya problem as the time we be you know you are the same people coming to my inbox oh chaso we will solve it say I'm offended they will come to your inbox to cool you down but who offend no if you offend them, they will bring you to the public place and slaughter you. No, we have to stop this. And for you, we have to stop. We have to. We need to stop it. And moi, you have every right to go wherever you have to go to. And I'm better on the done in some moki niade. Oba, and some makano. The super pepe. Man provide you the full audio. A dinner and a woman, man found because I want you to know how it feels when you omit part of an audio and play it in order to favor yourself. And I know so you know it. So I say you and I we have a lot of explanations to do. Me new attempt. Me cast and boni bien. But whatever that you say that is not true, I will come and explain myself. Me peke uko na friend when I'm peke uko. Ratty, ya hata we kunuo. but no feel of me Charlie. I understand you. Nana, meaning the way now when you brain I say a lawyer and many idea now when I manager. Hey, you found a World Cup chair. 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 Oh, my mother, attention, kakra. What to me, you know, about the comment to my life. I said, bro, I don't understand you, bro. I don't understand you. Yeah, I get you. I get where you are coming from. When you are coming from the wrong side of loyalty, you're giving your all. But Apostle Obe Jim. What do you say? To a day to Obe Jim. Ube Jim. Me kind point blank. Obe say point blank. Me kind. And maybe a trim. Tell my issue by me say, oh, you'll be a better from be and fire me. But the only be I know, and be you whom free. A man in a city pan the Nipa Bonifo. Jitum Sawoni pan the ye. Pʋŋchɛs, nani pan so me pan the echo. Obia function agreeing. Obia one more Owusu Bempah kasa de ne sako wonani. Otin baby, ye be canon, and sana ye na ye see ye na dofo no. Ye kwaya kokko ama no. Me makubida. Until it will be a great disloyalty to myself. Say never better na kase. I papa and a share me say me koko. No. Never. Yen cannot crack a crack. Mommy, yen cannot crack. Yen cannot crack a crack. Let's say the truth and be free. Peter Paradise, and you've been an sanity, and you're not sanity so only Benesanto Bratam will be into me sanity. Say Peter Cababy or can baby dear atro or can baby dear no cran, and you so cantro. I don't have you must so sit and do better in a sanity dear no crack. I didn't hear. The issue of your marriage was never discussed with Papa. With anybody, it was on the same call you were on. The same call. And Okano to 1 hour recording, and now whoever that recorded and on the Bible thing. But you wanted to prove a point, say, and you want to say, not going to be a video or exposing my own self voice of them. No, be or no doing concern, then our voice womb. Nipa no doing concern. And then our voice womb. Was who the kind of cat to go? You came to prepare the minds of the people, say, Papa, do one concern. And I will be recording to prove so do one concern. Papa Nenkwa, to Papa no one America. They no only need the concern in him. Yan tip ni panene. We bacho nipa ba kudin konkonsa train from a. Yan chonto. To be the konkonsa. I di a train from a na. Eh? Konkonsa no di chira wine. Ti me phone no na me dey live o mama. Avedo ofrem. Basa, I know I'm a live no. Jamin, I'm a cassa yache, a cobe 1 year. In your life. Na, hey, offer. They say, Obian Fadi and Quabin Beam. What the car be called? Some Pani do who conconsa. At the action for. No, Obia, all did conconsa for, and will be no, all the proof about or voice will concern him. I tell you, them will de conconsa, actually one cassa. You find the man quite in Gimo. Me were audio, me were recording, and I had also. What the car be prepare the minds of the people. And the Berchie come and want some, Papa ni dimu conconsa, baby I could de conconsa, I bedroom and him. Okoba. Okoba conconsa corner. Now our voice will conconsa him. What to be that? Oh, I am my express. Come on, play victim, but be honest. A free time one, the CSC and men can't be asking. But see, mommy one proof. When you say you are all loyal to mommy, but you can't crunch them. You can't crunch them once and for all. Mommy, don't say, oh, edit no. Also before audio. Oh, to me, edit voice. Na kapapa nkwade. And a wow voice. Onyame say we dey me man edit me man PM and the PM say nwe. Afobia say hey. So look at the mental preparation. What cycle be against papa ni tini hunkonkosa. Hey. Babo konkonsa kona o voice abem. The konkonsa ni free. But see any nipa 4 na ne your call so. Nipa 4. Nipa 4. I'm best me call because there is a team that responds to Papa's issues. Maybe the say audio be aware no. That audio me they also the full one better the full one required to your church page because it's painful, you're appalling. Don't do that. Don't do that. Sometime now Papa camp. And it's what catch us could do be at Mumpa. Hey. Obedience should not see could do. What happened? Mentias you. Huh? Mentias you. I didn't see, I didn't buy. Yes, Christabel. He was talking about her when she was on the line. On the page 70 buy, our on the page buy. If she records on for full conversation, because you any perform your corner so. At so be a cassette, papa. No, papa, now a friend. Now we are friendly panatoso, near friendly atoso. And the person stated emphatically say, Papa, me nimsa sana samnetiye. Et ye kasa wieno, and I will go pejaba and say, Ose papa, anything that is private about you, umpese de pi. And our panic catcher say, you wouldn't want the cabinet in social media. Say, Mina Mama wa worry you. I can't obey crab wolf for what did the matem and no chilimu. And to one chemo wachi or chilemo or nim. And I'm more recording ye. And I'm ye baby, a momo voice in the woman, a female, and I'm more baby boy ye. And I'm say yes, you're a boy. And now you make an intimacy. And to what the car be catching for say, Papa do uncle consa. And to prove our order for the first time. No, voice appear proving him. Now, Obia won't do uncle consa. I hear then our voice appear. I hear then our voice appear. I don't understand. Because if Papa do uncle consa, then it should be a voice conversation and a voice note. It won't. On the part to say, as a Papa send it, okay, T. So Papa cross sending voice note to Mobia. New panel send man on your bold. Now, I'm let Papa out. Actually, for Nayan Cambom near contributing near Chili Pan $2,000 on fat. So Papa the conconsaction will be and a new panel recording ye. Young you and all the recording a better wine. Mammy. I will name some mammy and Papaco. No problem. On for a message. I just say I send a voice note. I have a conconsan man. My last question is say, I dare you conconsa or pedi conconsan. I didn't in a voice room. I don't know the voice room. Me to me finance and show be a timo. To the open off and sir. Me to me finance and show be a team. But my simple clue. If the man was gossiping about it to anybody, it is either a call or a voice note that was sent to the person. Unprovided voice note no by message. Send your dimidiana baby shred no. A share that part of the voice in the buy. Because meaning say oh wisdom on that, but oh share that. Oh so deep upon you. Oh so deep upon you. To us out here, what the picture of me message no. As all message now the send them no. And what bofu ano. Et nipa na papa send the voice note to man no. For some message in the Berchie. No two say identity of voice womb. Say identity of voice a womb. As simple as ABC. Guy now Ɛxposɛɣ and crown. I'm referring on Facebook. If I say he did a very excellent job. Because when I heard the voice, and I'm saying, but this was when me Namunia and a Gucci Kofro Bikasa. You never to your platform say me voice. Namunia. Christabel Diana Mupabium. Again, Mupabium. And there, my medic. A Gucci voice. I bet you say I am a voice now. Let her now Gucci piano. Then she began to be smart. I didn't say it was why. Me one what try to earlier on say what the shuffle about recordings in the PA. You always prepare the minds of and these people are very educated people. To me, Mutima never beat him. Me see concern no be dia or be voice PM. And a papa and a catty. Yakofa Gucci voice, I am a voice. your confirm Berchie voice. Say a meme voice. Obi bisa very sensible question. Auntie truly born. Thank God say mommy we friending me because I never supported her. I have every evidence here. When I even confronted her about why I never also disobey Papa voice. Until you hear me friend listening. Say come mama, to be a baby or tenants in free. I will be very happy. Her baby do Obian Kanokre. Obian Kanokre na so be mra. And hide behind anything in Chantron to Obiso. We don't do that. Uncle Climax now, we had the final call. Yakasai, I didn't go see. I didn't know your person diabolic, sir. What do we stand to gain? Because this is what people were looking for. And I saw for Berchie in for Becon. And I said on the same of Sassy committee, me obia me to become a cassa. And to be cardia me pesamica. No being a machine, this is because so be it is one cocoon. Write your comment in Obama chain. A deeper brief, Fred White, they all came to me. I gave them a simple assignment. They say, go and ask the woman this and this and that. Oh, yeah, come to me. If I've offended her, I would apologize. They never came back. Well, maybe my own friend. An old friend. Why am I back? An old friend. Before you hail any comment, you hail any recording. Say hello, hi, Bachowini. Oh, Bachowini. Oh, the past message. Oh, Miss Minie. It's a full conversation. You can't provoke me for me to say what worries me. Now I record them a part. No, I'm a boy. No way. Oh, provocation now provoke him. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. Also, I do please. My girlfriend is in your church. Oh, girlfriend. I know I'm abortion you. I say she showed evidence between the two of you. So this is why. Okay, good. Let me tell you what happened. What happened? They say that day now, or the two was our recording. I spoke to one person who was very close to her. Yeah, okay, me money for now. Menene kasa no catch him say, oh, ni pana oh kasa or the abetu concerning rent and evidence ni now. Me say menene kasa na be who dey call because initially a day a two na semba no frame da a clear sa issue no catch him say it was not right for the woman to do that. It will make sure some day beba. I knew say he was the best person to bring about peace at that time. Tio, it will catch him say, asema me catch him about rent and say obian chia me rent. And me rent me obi no no ma wa tua me rent above 25,000 Ghana cedis, which or confirm me che nipa say enyo no ka so wa tua na obi mom na tua ye etese awa ha eto ka so friend no se me ntwa be friend me back within a minute and odem to so, and this were her words. Menka say me want recording. It was so me recording for be one on famra she who recording che obi. E ho na nipa ne ka say mami that is say why yet we call na wie mami me de not to so e ho na pin o ka take on. There was no conversation between me and no, and I have that proof here. No conversation. The next minute and on the two hono. He couldn't withstand the heat. He has called and I've spoken my mind to him. And I'm calling upon initiative. I'm saying, my brother, tell the world the truth. She has not spoken to me. No catch him say up on a chow. Me nyamutre. Or best solve the issue. No, the panic team on him say me cannot cry. Or so best solve the issue. No, me try to see when I'm saying continents. They say I bet you call log because you initiated a conference call, but there was no conversation. She went off. So why don't you tell them the truth? Or catch him say on person he doesn't want to be in the middle of this issue again. Or person in who film because ya catch him say only the home film. The messages are here in my inbox. Adin say can you na ya transe? Na say kamena ma yobi bonin poa. Me be ye video. Say some fumu poa. Wo de mun from me born in chemi. Near 90 cent still. Now you blast me. your group members, I put every evidence in the group. Say you catch us one channel. But I understood when to me and defend me at that time. Because now I was so loyal to whoever. I admire that perfectly. But why would you say what take my voice and I'll free so? Thank God. So whoever that recorded no, may they send in the money here. And I'm so say, or me to or take my voice but free so. Because I for more than 10 so a corner so to ask her what is going on so that we could solve. They couldn't come back again. They couldn't. Wonderful. I'm why I know more social media. My be trying to attempt, be trying to attempt. I'm not here to chase the cloud. I'm not interested in anything. What I'm saying is, me defend will be a beam. But let's be honest and truthful here. So me no me ya down for near find strategy near konto kwani wini na sumdweba na no bi atsa ne ba bia eno nche se na ba ko ni pabonefo dipa ba ko konto ka nipa ba ko enkosa. We have all come together before. Again na yamfanya papa wo krodwe mu a yeso no obi ne ne ba ene ne yerada. Again yamfanto no so a whole lot radio stations to TV stations so ne kana make cross of that there yan kan fa me. Nipa ba ko ama wo no masaya abortions. Me ne ma wa so debo nada. Ye can be was ye can at that time. And I accepted it in good faith. And then I met my phone. And Confrontation, you see a chame rent, Obian chame rented up. Obian will chame rent. Na papa be me be a social media so kai. It me kai. I say, Namadu, you chop my girlfriend. Oh, now if I chop your girlfriend, I be the you know be man. You sit down, you make her chop your girlfriend, you know be man. If your girlfriend love you, why you go make her chop him? My brother, you dey disgrace yourself. I beg me, I be savage past you. How see they see me like that? From my child, I go fit throw you go cry. You make her chop your girlfriend, then you know be man. No, then you know be man. You make her chop your girlfriend, then you know be man. Obi say why you dive? I'm not here to divert anything. You can believe whatever you have to believe. But what I'm saying is, so be person on your full recording of a conversation, but also by for full recording, bruh. You come here, they can't open publicly say you catch up your girlfriend. Right. Stop that thing. Why you for me catch up? Rebel leader with him. And there him. Yeah, Charlie. Edamuna say, I admire your comments. Me must start to do my time. Yeah, too much in a yamu, di matem, self nebu, na no self fiamo, then the any more tiny I didn't, you know, activity I never hear. Now, there be about daily graphic in activity, then a baby. It was mean patch out, remember, yeah, and we play victim, bina, na sacrifice the honor. Now you chop money we never chop before. It's a fact. It's a fact. Offer me more times. You know it. I know you can do that. Do that. You know it's the truth. Nothing but the truth. Am I in diverted attention? Cause no. Am I say you per se you suffer Victor Kusibuatin ko you free ni suffer Victor Kusibuatin ne papa ni asem. Hey, so more asem kren me ya so wasem no once and for all. Say munya suffer no munya munyam yedwuma. Bloggers enyam adwuma nicely. Omo mo ton tomatoes and ton tomatoes. Omo mo ton tade and ton montade. Enkeke ni peti momu biem. Emfa asumdie ma. Ye na yempa baby ntina asumdie. That is the best we can do for ourselves. As simple as ABC. Right your cool and any abin Charlie. Kakra betom Facebook quest na kakra betom. To bend then any be. We to be better social media. I mo bia kon komamia. Na nkofo because of your bube. I still na nkofo but I to bet ye kasa wo fu sumpo aye pasum die. Hey, one of did to bet you me na say so ni mu and I'm share Mame, uyo bow. He's just in the bebre and wasi. Emre and wasi. Uyo ba. To Kobe Breben Emwa. And then come on, Mohammed Sanko no Jai Sadim and they stopped. You cry a chi and back where do you share Bubakuna Jaye? Jaye. Because I'm for some dear man. So no better now. After all this idea by maybe the one must say more walker. Say Uncle can't tell upon what's upon a fro, but when you must say my chest, see Uncle can't tell upon. I've no better and do batch in the buy and I dinner. Come on, come at you, be come at you, be come catch everybody. So make everybody tap in place. Well, this a come at you, no better one what to. I fight supporters of Nana Brown. Come against me. But you say I was a Tamanana Brass and Bino. Who send me a video back with the dinner? No. Tama, my person may frank confront a whole lot of things. At you be you'll be pie Bokana here, Juma, you 9 baby teen. And Yafe, and will be back your way, and my media name encounter, or be the best shamachi, and I open the best shamachi. Yeah, day, also a tea a day. Also a tea a day. Eh, Mamma Pebrinko, great giant to Kako. And I'm so sure, make sure. Oh, Debbie, mommy, you just be so sure. And sign man, sure what to the doors. Media part of what to the best this month ago. You ain't trust. Maybe I'm bet you be sure. And I may say, and I why, and I record you good time, and I'm going to talk for more. A day, ya bread, a day, I dear baby. Oh. Ayana mo kasa te say mutimo mo camera na chi kasa ase eye tu e ba ye dem bebo ye kuye e bo no ma ye hwemu ye didi ni ada. And recently papa issue ko so na me ma me follow ade ne kakra me hwe ne kwa na me say ade we ade yam you ti me tell me ade aye papa Owusu Bempah so obviously say ye ntwaso na right the obi ntwaso kwa ode ko wo de okua obra no jai Ko brand we jai. Obi am me ni aman kado ako ho anam ne nkui. Ma twetwe. Me member fa serious o. Ma twetwe o. Awu ya. Eh? All right, you know on traso because bibi be free maba. Awu. Hey. Asewu. Odofo mami nyawa ha. Right, I go left for give you mami nyawa. So but the truth of the matter is papa can't to be aso kodu bi atem. Information eba. No what share the side of the story. No akade ha no. Na nkofo so de kono my life. Boni bi anim. Ye nim nkofo so bitia papa. Point number 2. Concern bi no obi be kwa kodi a. Nipa na yedi no concern the voice bebem. Ye fire no so nkwa adwendwem. And then yeah, also two for fire hono. Need now your inbox no they are there. You can also listen. Or drop me the anonymous drop you there. Sanity. Shame. Anti abortion pastor me amini. There's a doctor and Casacra. Kama china. Obia anything. Entire baby tea. And they play victim. We say no be a double audio one party pet. Now when she baby a film, not they are justifying no. Now to one our bones them. Now voice way, every good recording. Send your voice note in your sendia. It starts with a boom, 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 boom. You hear the phone ringing. The part of the show, day and the time. Recording it taking place. I mean, the least I can say. You're not friend to your own phone. Mr. Be on your own. Be the master over your own life. Choose your company wisely. Be very careful. You can see me whichever. What painting me that for a long time. And I can't defend it again before you. Flosy. Mommy reply. Let me show Bibia. But yo, say Obia be your life. Now I'm tempted to come and explain that I would. I'm not fighting. But it's about ourselves, it's about our family, it's about reputation. Ya kanyama be brave. Majin ya tongue, ya discount, all the evidences are there. Everything is here. Man can want them. Nakasa ne doso. Pacho. Mama yaketwa. I'm sorry, but what can mate? It's too much. And you too much. And you too much. Tia me. I mean, yeah, kasa of force cry person be. Last minute cry a fro. Ah, you be said, dear na my name poucho. Who say and now one is now could carry us so called Saba. Can you my name poucho? No, Papa Jasso. Who so called Saba? Now one soon to me kasa. Obama club. Me better na metie. E bi ni me advice right here on tie you. Me kaso no bin cool. But me say yen dwine ye hu. Yen dwine ye hu. Ye bisao on phone. Papa nan kasa say, look. So why you bribia? Can I pouch o? So, who see now one so? Want to mean kasa. Who ko don so aba? So the okay economy ti ase. Hey. Ti mami bo woni boniface. And so people thought I done nothing about it. Na me ye calls, na me fre. Odi mun ka de ma ye nkyere me na me mpacha wo. Amfa. Na me expect to say Becca say why you say. Say no why. Amfa. Na me show you da. E mo bi anko tie one way audio bi ana hwan bi ana no. Sign the money atwam. Say you edit audio ne. No. You twa sa de man so. No akobo ba bi e be favor on hwan. There be. Anya ntakwa ne ekoma me. I think say the some of these things has to stop. Say nipa free wa brabom na oni ni agro bi mu a. Jani panama ne ko. Say ye me e close to months ni men kan wasem da. Men discuss with da no. I expect the same thing from you. But when it comes to audios and recording there, ebi audio nyamate, but some of us are quiet. Let me show you now. Kama na chi na no. Me kwa me hu de ntia me ka se kama chi. Go so bi be plot evil etia e. Na yes ye be age say be retaliate. Na ya betra ka se professor there no. Papa de share chi my no. You dey choose to say be defend no. And that is our pride. Mommy, your pride is when you chose to defend the man. Don't say he asked you to. That is your heritage. Manunya wakuma swadi if I say ubo because I stood to defend the man say na okay because o videos those who claim say obi an shewachi and obi an mauska and obi an tuaka. So what is happening now?
Wala busuan so nsami ana yakokuti ede aba ohwe eye Berchie a wakeka na adwen akere ma Ng3g3 oso oni na tem na so Pʋŋchɛs a wa ponche no utimi se ano ode papa oso pese ma Ng3g3 efili the way Osiman akufo feel odi omo video ana audio eba bontia osi edit na wama ade na look like say as onkofo no omye nipa bone for enu nti ana no so audio de ba bontia no o share da edit ya o leak ye enti abusuan obetumi akere wadwen e de afa edu Berchie yi the punchlines abetoto e de ama ayema Ng3g3 na o chirim se Owusu Bempah ense na chi ono a ene ba bontia wa ba be ni video na obi ankwa tena baby ankase Owusu Bempah ana bebe sho ono eye du Berchie na chi ose enya sanete enti obi a emfa ento na adwem abusuan obetumi akere wadwen e wo comment section eni de make sure so be me subscribe button na omi abo na e won channel like video no so na bibia enye kama pa aha ana abusuan video besi yakopon show na afeso onye okese makra